Welcome to CondoLogie.
Hi, I'm CondoBot. After paying our accounting assistant, we had some movement in the summary. If we go down a little further here, we can see that the total items in the budget page is $2,113.30. So our summary shows us in real time what is happening inside the finances of our condominium. We see that we are in deficit. In fact, we are in less because we have paid but we have not yet collected. So we are starting to see the play of the balance of inputs and outputs. This time, we are going to pay our budget item. We are going to pay monthly payments. In fact, these are monthly payments. We see here that we have a series of them. Earlier, in the previous video we mentioned that it was the 6th. This is payment, there are the 1st. We are going to make the payments to get up to date. We click on the 3 small green dots and then on edit. We're going to see our payment breakdown here. So, we will have to enter a new transaction. It is a monthly payment. The payment must be $145.83 every month. We are going to set the date for the month of October. We are talking about an electricity company, so we can say that it is an automatic DPA transaction. That means that it is a pre-authorized debit and we said it was $143.75, the invoice number. And that's it, so the payment was just entered as $143. Now the tax year in our condominium began on January 1st and ends in December. So we have just entered a payment for the month of October. Give me a few seconds to be able to complete all the procedures to update. I'll get back to you in 5 seconds. That's done. So of course, I didn't enter an invoice number because the account is fictitious, but we can see there that the payments are in chronological order. All the invoices since January have been completed. If we go a little further up in the payment details, we will indicate that the next payment will be November 1st. It is a payment which is monthly by pre-authorized debit of $145.83. Earlier I said $143.75. I made the correction. So, we see that the amount which is paid to date, and we see here that the amount disbursed is the same. It is an invoice which is redistributed. We have not received any money yet. We have not recorded any money on the redistributed expenditure and the balance to paid is $291.70. Therefore, this is how we complete the monthly payments of a budget item in CondoLogie.